Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to make an Indonesian Chinese food called Capjae. Please watch it until the end, let's go. In this video, we need 50 grams of wheat flour and 25 grams tapioca flour. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, and chicken stock powder. Pour the water bit by bit while stirring the dough. Then add beaten egg and stir it until the texture is smooth. Now heat the oil, then fry the dough in hot oil. Pour the dough spoon by spoon, bit by bit. Let it fry in medium fire. After it becomes golden brown, drain and let it cool. After it cold, slice it into thin strips. And set it aside for now. Move on the other ingredients, take out 100 grams of chicken, slice it thinly. Then, marinated it with Raja Rasa sauce. With some tapioca or maizena flour. Now, let's cut the vegetables. We need 1 carrot, one cauliflower, four sheets Chinese cabbage, and bok choy or chasam. Then chop 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, half onion, 1 stalk of leeks, and a tomato. Blanch the carrot and cauliflower briefly. Then, heat the oil and sauté onion until fragrant. After it's fragrant, add the garlic, leek stalk, and the marinated chicken. Stir it for a while and add the carrot, cauliflower, white cabbage. You can read the description for the full recipe. Add 500 to 600 milliliters of chicken stock water, stir it well. Then add some tomato, the fritters, another leek. Now let's season it. Add 3 tablespoons of SAMHAP tomato sauce. One tablespoon salty soy sauce, a 29. 1 tablespoon BOBBELL soy sauce. Half teaspoon salt, sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG, the king of flavor. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken stock powder and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Stir it well. When it's well mixed, lastly add 1 teaspoon of dissolved cornstarch. Stir it and it's done. Your capjae is ready to serve. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.